Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL 403 and let me share with you how to enable the eye comfort mode on this device. So let's start with the fastest way to turn on this option. All we have to do is to unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it fully, and we have to go to the right. As you can see, in my case, the eye comfort mode automatically appeared right here. If you cannot find it here, no worries. You will be able to see it after we will customize it. So first of all, you have to enter it through the settings, which we'll do in a second. And then your device will show you this icon. If you don't want to wait, you can simply tap on this edit icon, find the eye comfort mode and drag it to this section. So in order to turn on the feature, simply tap on it. And as you can see, the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. Of course, you can turn it off the same way, just tap on it. Now I can show you how to customize this mode. So we have to enter the settings and in this list find the display. Now let's enter eye comfort mode. And let me turn it on now so we can see the changes. As you can see here, we've got the switcher, thanks to which we can change the color, temperature, the intensity. Currently we've got it on the warmest side, so you can see that the screen is almost yellow. And by going to the left, we can make it much cooler. As you can see, it's not really easy, but let me do it this way. After setting it to the less warm, we can see that it is it has got cool colors. We can also set the automatic option, so your device will decide when to turn this mode on and off, basing on the schedule plan which you can set. So you can set it, you can pick the start and the end time, or you can set it from sunset to sunrise, and basically your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is, I believe, location based, and of course this turn on now option is more manual, so you have to manually turn it on and off. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.